Whether you're an experienced horticulturist or you just want to make the most of your green thumb, the right gardening tools make tending to your garden a more enjoyable task. There are many products available to choose the best gardening tools, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FELCO 2 One-Hand Pruning Shear. Owners say it's worth it to spend a little extra on the FELCO F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner, and many say they'll never buy another brand when it's time to tame small trees and shrubs. They sing the praises of this 8.5-inch pruner for its ability to slice through branches up to an inch thick without jamming or dulling the blade. The FELCO F2 has hardened steel blades, a forged aluminum handle and an adjustable alignment. The rubberized handle has shock-absorbing pads to keep work comfortable, and reviewers say it does that effectively. Another favorite feature is a sap groove that helps prevent sticking. The pruner is backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 2. Nisaku Hori-Hori Stainless Steel Tomita Weeding Knife. Though there are cheaper garden knives on the market, reviewers say the Nasaku Japanese Hori-Hori digging tool is worth the slight splurge because of a durable 6.5-inch stainless steel blade that slices through the soil with ease. Experts with garden tool reviews say it will stand up to any kind of abuse, even getting lost in inclement weather. Users love the versatility of the Hori-Hori, which they say is extraordinarily effective at uprooting even the toughest weeds. Features include a vinyl plastic sheath with a belt loop, a sturdy wooden handle, and measurements on the knife itself that help users track soil depth. Number 3. Abco Tech Garden Tools Set. Abco Tech's garden tools set includes 9 durable stainless steel tools that cover all essential garden tasks. The kit includes a transplanting tool, a weeder, a trowel, a fork, a rake, a cutter, a 25-ounce sprayer, and a pair of gloves. All natural ergonomic wooden handles fit comfortably in gardeners' hands. It makes a great essential tool kit for those taking their first steps into gardening. This small arsenal also works well for potted patio gardens. The included double-gauge cotton tote bag makes it easy to carry the necessary tools around the garden all day long. Multiple exterior side pockets help keep the tools securely in place and within easy reach when needed. Number 4. Esso Garden Tool Set. Esso's 3-piece gardening set makes a great starter kit for the beginning home gardener. It includes a hand trowel for digging and planting, a 3-claw hand rake for loosening and aerating compacted soil and removing weeds, and a transplant trowel for relocating young plants and flowers. The latter comes complete with measurement markings on its narrow blade to make simple work of checking soil depth before moving plants and flowers. Each tool features a soft rubberized non-slip handle and polished cast aluminum tool heads for comfortable use and resistance to rust, bending, or breaking. Number 5. AcuRite 00899 Wireless Digital Rain Gauge. Gardens need adequate hydration to nourish perennial plants and flowers. The AcuRite wireless rain gauge helps gardeners track nature's way of watering the garden. This digital rain gauge includes 2 parts: a rain collector for outdoors and a wireless LCD display to keep inside. The tool's 100-foot range means gardeners can monitor rainfall without getting wet. AcuRite's gauge measures rain precipitation in inches or millimeters. Users may view rainfall history or set customizable rain or flood risk alerts. Best of all, the rain collector on this low-maintenance unit empties itself. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.